Okay guys, so today we're here to look at the top 5 foods that kill cravings on keto. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the top 5 foods on a keto diet that are going to really help to destroy those cravings and also hopefully hunger. Now, what you can see here is we're going to look at them because they're very good. When you eat them, they just bloat you right out and you just go, oh, I'm so full, I don't really want anything else. So not only is it satiating your hunger, but it's also then so dense usually and so tasty and awesome that it's going to go, okay, forget about that other craving. So that's what you're looking for, and these are the top 5. So guys, number 1. So number 1, eggs. Yes, eggs are amazing. They're a superfood. You know that these are usually a staple on keto. You should be eating them every day, and you should be then saying, I'm getting the benefits and I'm also not getting hungry. So let's have a look here. We have keto-friendly superfood, negligible carbs, less than 1 gram net carbs per large egg. It comes in, for eggs, comes in about 0.2 to about 0.6 I've seen for ratings on carbs roughly. Now, high in protein and healthy fats, keeps you full longer and helps curb cravings. Rich in essential nutrients, packed with vitamins B12, D, A, E, choline and selenium. Benefits: supports energy, brain function and overall health on keto. So there you go guys, fantastic. Pretty much 0 carbs, and they're going to satiate your hunger and they're going to kill your cravings. Awesome, two for 1 deal. So usually, because of the eggs, you get the satiety, and that's fantastic. When you get that, it's so good that it actually then helps to lower all the feelings associated with cravings. You know that cravings are more emotional, but once you feel so full and satisfied, you lower the craving. So it should help as a buffer there. Now, moving on to food number 2. Okay guys, avocados. Now, avocados we have very low in carbs, very low in net carbs of about 0.2 grams. That's about half an avocado. Varies about 1.5 probably up to about 1.5 to 2 grams about. You have rich in nutrients, excellent source of potassium, vitamin K, E, C, B6 and folate. Now don't forget, potassium is one of the electrolytes you want to prevent keto flu, so awesome is there as well. Benefits: supports heart health, keeps you full longer and helps reduce craving. So again, another thing there, punching the cravings in. It's packed full of good fats as well, and so they're giving you fantastic satiety, and you're saying, hey, I feel great, I feel full. So this monounsaturated fats are fantastic because they take a long time to digest. This is going to give you that feeling of fullness for longer, and when you're full you have less cravings, and there are so many nutrients that you're getting everything you need, and usually cravings stem from wanting things that you need. Now, some things are also emotional, so your emotional side as well can come in, and that emotion can be added. So that's the only thing you're going to have to deal with. So with this, you get reduced reward-driven eating. Now, in the past, you're probably eating tons of junk food, trying to get all those nutrients. This is concentrated. All superfoods are giving you what you need quickly and efficiently with lots of fats. That's what you need. Okay guys, number 3. Okay guys, blueberries. So blueberries are number 3. Let's have a look here. Tiny berries, big benefits. Now, what's the deal with these? Okay, so they are rich in antioxidants, help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, good for heart, may help lower blood pressure and improve heart health, boosts brain function, supports memory, improves focus and may slow age-related decline. Supports eye health, high in vitamin C and antioxidants that promote healthy vision, strong immunity. So again, with the strong immunity, you're going to obviously get vitamin C in there, guys. And don't forget, obviously, you can get a lot of this from supplements, and it helps that, obviously with the whole overall impact, so that you're healthier overall. Now, blueberries are awesome because they're a fruit and they're going to give you that extra bit of nutrients. You're getting all these other added benefits. Your body is happy. Your metabolic functions again are getting more nutrients. This is what goes, hey, I'm getting all my nutrients with less food. Then you're satisfied. So beforehand, you're craving tons of food, you're eating tons of it because it's not giving you any benefit. These are giving you loads of benefits, plus plenty of clean, healthy fats. Okay guys, now these are obviously fruits, so you'll be getting all the other benefits from the fruits. antioxidants, so again a massive one there. You're going to help to stop free radicals, prevent inflammation. Fantastic. Okay guys, food number 4. Okay guys, so food number 4 you can see here is spinach. So spinach is awesome. It's obviously a green leafy vegetable, which are the best ones to have on the keto diet. This is spinach though, rich in nutrients, packed with vitamins A, C, K, folate, iron, calcium. It supports immunity, high in antioxidants and vitamins that help strengthen your immune system. Now, it's good for your eyes, contains lutein and also zeaxanthin, which promotes high eye health. So you're going to have a fantastic amount of details there. It helps lower blood pressure and supports overall heart health. So you have strong bones and high in vitamin K and calcium that help maintain strong bones. So guys, you've got spinach there. It's fantastic. It's very low in carbs. It's a fantastic accompaniment to help prevent cravings. You usually get a lot of cravings, as I said, because you need nutrients and you just keep eating to try to have that satiety. You need to satiate it. Otherwise, you're going to have problems with metabolic functions. You are going to be happy with these. Okay guys, so we can see they've got loads of benefits there. So also you've got the zeaxanthin and you've also got lutein, and so we understand that for the zeaxanthin you're going to be getting lots of benefits there. It's a pigment that's found usually in your eye, and that's going to be in lots of different foods, and you get it and it helps with blue light issues and also it helps with oxidative stress. Great ones there for zeaxanthin and lutein, carotenoids that are going to be a massive benefit for your diet. So this is why it's a fantastic killer of cravings, because you get all these fantastic super healthy benefit foods. Okay guys, so moving on to number 5. Okay guys, number 5, it's a great salmon. So salmon we can see down here. Again, it's a superfood. It is absolutely awesome, a nutritional powerhouse. We've got rich in omega-3s, supports heart health, reduces inflammation and lowers the risk of heart disease. Now, boosts brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids support memory, mood and cognitive function. Supports immunity. High in selenium and vitamins that help strengthen your immune system. Aids weight management. High in protein, keeps you full longer and supports lean muscle mass. Okay, good for skin and hair. So good for skin and hair, packed with nutrients that promote healthy, glowing skin and strong hair. Okay guys, so we have nutrition here, and so the main idea there is you can get all the nutrition there. It's clean, lean and delicious. Yes, salmon is absolutely awesome. It's phenomenal, and if you're going to be there you can understand, hey, I understand that this is a fantastic food for taste. It's not only going to be fantastic for taste, it's great for health. And this is something where you can go, I've got to understand that keto has so many fantastic whole foods that are there, and they're single ingredient, and they are phenomenal for your health. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.